Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're super excited. We got ourselves a 2004 Volvo XC90. 1A Auto supplied us with a ton of parts to install this thing. We've got brakes, we've got front end stuff, we've got engine management stuff, we've got headlamps, we've got interior things, and this is just a small pile of things that I've got. I've got so much stuff behind this, you wouldn't even believe it. 1A Auto's got everything for this vehicle. We're pumped, all right? So if you like it, just check out our playlist. It's gonna be awesome. Here we go. You know, it's not just about all the parts that 1A Auto has to offer for you for every vehicle. It's all about showing you how to do your own repairs, because I can do it and you can do it too. As always, if you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. And please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Thanks for checking in.